What's up, y'all? Jay from Value Detail. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Chief Steamer. Now, this car has your, everyday stains on the seat, light color seats. Something that you're not going to be able to avoid having a car that has light color seats unless you get some covers. And when I got to the job, I didn't know I was going to be doing any shampooing of the seats, so I didn't even bring my extractor with me, but I did have the steamer. So I was like, oh, why not go ahead and get the job? And I used the steamer. Now with the Chief steamer, if you're in the market for getting the steamer, you don't really need this steamer off the bat. You don't need to just go out the gate and go get this steamer. You can always start with the McCulloch. A lot of detailers, they use the McCulloch. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I never used it. I don't know. I can't really speak on the McCulloch. You know what I'm saying? Because the reason why I never bought it, because a lot of people said they had problems with the wand breaking and stuff like that, so I didn't even want to waste my time with that. It basically runs off the same type of features as Chief Steamer 100 does. 100 is for PSI, and there's also the 75 that I don't even recommend getting. They also have the 125s and the 155, but that's the PSI, and I think that's really amazing to have that much pressure. You can really get in there, penetrate the fibers really good with that. Like I said, it's kind of similar to the McCulloch. It takes regular water. I did some research on the McCulloch. I believe that takes regular water as well. For this machine, the Chief Steamer, you're gonna pay a lot of money for it. It's 5 times as much you're gonna pay for, a McCulloch. So, you're gonna be paying over $1,000 for this steam machine. But it's really, really good quality, and I can say that it's made in. I want to say it's made in America. So. Parts is easy. It's easy to get it fixed if it needs. I think it has lifetime warranty on most of the parts and stuff. So you're good there. And it just works really great. It's really efficient. You get the job done really quick. As you can see in the video, I'm tackling these seats. I'm lifting those stains out of the seat with the power of this steamer. Like I said, if you're in the market to get a steamer and you just got the money and you can go out and spend it, get it. Go ahead and invest in yourself, because at the end of the day, it's going to be beneficial to your business. You ain't got to always worry about, it's going to break. You ain't got to worry about those type of problems when you got something that's more higher quality. So that's something you're going to want to think about. The products I use in this video is the Chief Steamer, Chemical Guys carpet brush, and extractor solution. I believe that's what it's called, on the gallon jug that I got it from a janitorial cleaning supply store. And this solution really works really good. It's good at pulling stains out of things. So I've been using it for years, and it's really good. Maybe I'll put the name of it in the description so you can have the name of the solution that I get. But I'm pretty sure it's for extractors, so it's called extractor solution, something like that. Using the steamers, it's gonna get hot, so you're gonna be prepared for that. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna get hot in there. You're gonna get sweaty because all that steam. It's better if you open up all the doors. I didn't do that. I wasn't even thinking about opening up the doors. So it was hot in there, but you get the job done. Extractor would have did the same. I probably got the same results as with extractor or a combo. Use both. It probably came out way better than what it is. So that's one thing I wanted to talk about too, is should you get an extractor or a steamer? Now, I already had the extractor. Basically, it's a upholstery cleaning machine. It's for shampooing your upholstery and carpets. You can clean your carpets with it. I had bought that first, and then I ended up getting the steamer later on, because with the extractor you can't really do is what you can do with the steamer. I can't take the extractor and clean leather with it. You know what I mean? I've never tried it. You probably could, but I never tried it. You just spray the hot water on there and scrub it, I guess. Well, hot water does make a difference. So if you were to spray hot water on the leather, it'll probably lift the dirt right up out of there really easily. But I never thought of doing that. So I ended up getting an extractor, and I was like, you know what? I need a steamer. So I ended up buying a steamer later on. But as you can see, like in this video, like you really don't need an extractor. You can get the job done with just the steamer. So it's like, do you really want to get this? I mean, you kind of want both, actually. I'm not going to tell you not to get the extractor because you're not going to be able to clean carpets with just a steamer. I mean, you could, but you want to extract. You want an extractor. Get both. Both are very beneficial. You know, it works. You can get the job done. They're both efficient. You know, that's it. This is for the video. You know, we got the cheap steamer here. It definitely did the job. Worth every penny, you know, that I spent on it. And I love the machine. And that's it, y'all. So, y'all have a nice day. Like the video. Subscribe. And until next time, Value Detail is going to holler at you.